Hi friends, today we'll discuss few more important banking exams taken from the previous papers. So what is the full form of WSJ? Wall Street Journal. It was started in the year 1889, July 8th, and it is almost all 132 years ago they have started their operations. So founders are Charles Down, Edward Jones, Charles Brixton. When was NRCL got license from RBI? On 4th October 2021. National Asset Reconstruction Company Limited. The approval has been according under Section 3 of SARFAESI Act 2002. So headed by Indian Bank of Association CEO Sunil Mehta. Which card was issued by SBI collaboration with Indian Navy? So NAV eCash card. How this card will be useful? So lot of Navy staff will be posted and abroad. So they will be traveling to different countries. So this card will be useful for handling cash during the deployment of the ship at high seas. And an eCash card with its dual chip technology will facilitate both online and offline transactions. So when you are in online, you can do a transactions. If you are offline also, you can do a transaction. What is the full form of AMNS? ArcelorMittal Nippon Steel India, started in 1976. What is the full form of FIDC? Finance Industry Development Council, headquarters in Mumbai, Director General Mr. Mahesh Thakkar. Which is the first scheduled commercial private bank to collect direct and indirect taxes? So bank name is Kotak Mahindra Bank. So Kotak Mahindra Bank has received approval from Government of India to collect the direct and indirect taxes. So direct taxes will be income tax and indirect tax will be GST. So normally previously you will go to public sector bank and you can pay your income tax or GST. Now Kotak Mahindra Bank also involved in this activity. With this, the bank becomes the first scheduled private sector bank to receive approval after announcement by Financial Minister Nirmala Sitharaman, allowing all the banks to participate in government related business. So with this move, Kotak Mahindra Bank involved in government related business. So what are the direct taxes? Income tax, capital gain tax, security transaction tax, requisite tax, corporate tax. What are the indirect taxes? Will be sales tax, service tax, GST, VAT, excise duty. All these are indirect taxes. Direct taxes will be collected directly from the customer. Indirect taxes will be collected through intermediary. So customer will not pay direct to the government, through intermediary it will be paid. Which is the old is gold plan by RBI? RBI to call back retired officer to improve efficiency. So what is the scheme called? Old is gold plan. So RBI planning to call back few retired officers on the roles. They will be on the contractual basis and they will be under the Department of Supervision. So with these people they can improve or they can strengthen the services. Which is launched the card on file? Visa has launched the card on file. So what is card on file? Global payment firm Visa on Wednesday launched the card on file token service in India in line with the recently issued RBI guidelines. For the security reasons, when you are doing a transaction, card on file, your token will be issued and the token number should be entered before performing a transaction. So with this one, consumer and ecosystem security and enhanced checkout experience will be completed after this COF. What is the full form of SOFR? Secured overnight financing rate. So this rate was ICICI term loan derivative deal linked to SOFR. ICICI Bank executed its first term loan and cross currency swap derivative transaction linked to secured overnight financing rate. The transactions were carried out with a corporate client through the bank's international office. The value of the transaction will be A. Total transaction value would be ranging from 15 to $20 million. What is the full form of ASBA? Application supported by blocked amount. So what is ASBA? So when you are applying for a IPO or FPO, normally if you are applying for 50,000 amount will be debited from your savings account and it will be given to the company. So once company will complete the entire IPO process, after that shares will be allotted to customers and remaining amount will be returned to the customers. But in ASBA facility, your amount will not go to the customer plus temporarily it will be blocked in your account. Once shares are allotted, only that amount will be transferred to the company account and remaining amount will be held in your savings bank account only. Because of this one, you will get a extra interest on your account balance. So today few more abbreviations related to banking and finance will learn. What is QCBS? Quality cum cost based system method. What is CDPQ? Canadian Pension Fund. What is TAC? Technical Advisory Committee. What is DMD? Deputy Managing Director. What is PMC? Punjab and Maharashtra Cooperative Bank. NFRA, National Finance Reporting Authority. What is NCLAT? National Company Law Appeal Tribunal. GPI, Global Payment Innovation. What is UCBS? Urban Cooperative Banks. What is DMRC? Delhi Metro Rail Corporation. What is ITAT? Income Tax Appellate Tribunal. What is BMS? Bharatiya Pensions Manch. What is EPIS? Foreign Portfolio Investors. What is AEPS? Aadhaar Enabled Payment System. What is PMMY? Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana. What is UIDAI? Unique Identification Authority of India. What is AIBEA? The All India Bank Employees Association. What is NACH? National Automated Clearing House. What is DIPAM? Department of Investment and Public Assessment Management. What is CAGR? Compounded Annual Growth Rate. What is BC? A business Correspondent. What is SFF? Sustainable Financing Framework. What is DFS? Department of Financial Services. What is AIMA? All India Management Association. What is ABOC? All India Bank Officers Confederation. What is CUTS? Consumer Unity and Trust Society. What is MOU? Memorandum of Understanding. What is CERTIN? Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, Indian Computers Emerging Response Team. What is MCLR? Marginal Cost of Funds Based Lending Rate. What is RLLR? Repo Linked Lending Rate. What is VRS? Voluntary Retirement Scheme. What is AIRBEA? All India Reserve Bank Employees Association. What is EGM? Extraordinary General Body Meeting. Thank you friends. If you like my video, please subscribe and share with your friends. For the latest updates, please watch my video. If you have any queries, please call me or send me a mail.